Testing chassis components on the front and rear axle is an everyday job in workshops. It's important to diagnose and fix any problems at an early stage. The febi joint play tester allows problems to be reliably and safely diagnosed for vehicles of up to 3.5 tons. The joint play tester kit consists of a test plate for the front axle, a wheel clamp for the rear axle, and a brake pedal lock. When checking a vehicle on a two-poster ramp, all the chassis components are in an unloaded state, which does not reflect normal driving conditions. This causes all components to be rigid, making a reliable diagnosis, especially of the very early onset of wear, difficult or even impossible. Realistic driving situations, such as braking, accelerating, and cornering, cannot be simulated. Testing with a lever allows only limited movement. Often, this can even cause damage to the underside of the chassis, for example. Even though checking the vehicle on a four-poster ramp goes some way to reproducing driving conditions more accurately, it is still not possible to simulate real driving situations. Often, a second mechanic is required to find damage that is difficult to locate. With a mobile febi joint play tester, you can perform a really thorough check and obtain a clear diagnosis even with the vehicle on the ground. A ramp is not required. Here's how it works. The vehicle is driven onto the test plate so that the tire is placed exactly on the area marked in black. To apply force to the chassis alone, the brake pedal must be engaged using the brake pedal lock. Now the following situations can be simulated: braking, driving away, or cornering on the front and rear axles. Mechanics who are experienced with the tool can even feel the early onset of wear. Without the test tool, it's difficult to rigorously shake a modern vehicle for a long enough time. With the test tool, however, the force applied by the joint play tester shakes the whole vehicle. This allows you to check strut top mountings and stabilizer links, and in some cases, even engine and gearbox mountings. The wheel clamp allows you to apply force to the chassis with the vehicle under load, which means you can reliably check the rear axle components. The wheel clamp is ready to use within seconds. Rubber metal parts in particular, which are often fitted to the rear axle and difficult to check, can be more reliably tested. The wheel clamp is also a useful tool to apply push and pull forces to the upper control arms in multi-link suspensions. The febi joint play tester is ideal for a quick and easy diagnosis of chassis component problems. The combination of both kit components is a reliable source of support in every workshop. febi.bilstein, solutions made in Germany.